The 2021 RSV4 is the less expensive version of the RSV4 Factory and nearly the same as the Factory to boot. The new double fairing design shared by the RSV4 bikes eliminates the need for external winglets while improving engine cooling and downforce, critical for stable high-speed performance. The RSV4 is the pinnacle of the 2021 Aprilia lineup, and it will be available in the US starting from March and in Canada starting April 2021. It wears a much improved 5-inch color TFT display. The screen is easier to read and benefits from more logical menu navigation. It also continues to offer easy-to-use push-button wheel spin control that can be adjusted on the fly. There's also cruise control. On the chassis side, there's a brand new lighter swingarm that's inspired by that of the RSGP MotoGP bike. Aprilia completely revised the bike's ergonomics, utilizing a new fuel tank and seat that Aprilia says affords a more natural and relaxed riding position. Ergonomics are improved thanks to a newly designed fuel tank and seat, which Aprilia says allows the rider to take a more natural, relaxed riding position. In base trim, the 2021 RSV4 offers incredible value in its class. Riders who want something special can step up to the factory model, which includes semi-active suspension from Öhlins and forged aluminum rims.